So the last couple of days I've been trying to decide what to do with my boat. We've used it a couple of times already, and I've been using my dad's Nissan X-Trail to tow it, and he doesn't like me using his car, so I think I'll just get a car of my own. There's a couple options that I can do. One, I can put a tow bar on my BMW. I've already talked to a specialist and he said that my BMW is capable of towing my boat, so that's an option. The problem with that is the tow bar itself, parts and labour, costs $800 to install and put on, install. And the next option that I'm thinking about is just buying an old shitty crappy car that's mechanically sound. I would like to sell my BMW, but I won't get much out of it because it's got high Ks, even though it's in great condition. I'll probably get like $1,000 out of it, or $2,000 or whatever it is. But it's really not worth selling it at this point. So yeah, the best thing to do is actually to get a four-wheel drive ute, but those things cost $10,000 plus upwards. And at the moment I've got a few, I've invested a few monies into the stock market, and I'm waiting for that to go up before I make any decisions. But when those go up, that will help me decide what to do. Yeah, so but at the moment we're looking about, I'm looking about getting another car at this stage. And the problem is we can't fit 3 vehicles in our driveway plus a boat at this moment. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So that's our gate there, and then we've got my wife's car, got my car, got the boat, and then the driveway finish round about there. So for me to add another extra car in, I have to remove all of that and remove some of the garden area so that that boat can be pushed another 5 meters back. I've decided to buy another car, so I've got to remove all of this, and I've got to just redo all this gardening stuff, so it's going to take a couple of days to get this all sorted. Just planting these strawberries in a different location. So I'm just making a wall all the way to the end of that shed, and all of that will be filled up with soil. Those will be removed, those garden boxes, and then those trees will be removed, and then everything that will leave all the space that I need to get the boat back in and store another car in the driveway. After a few hours, this is the result. I've got a decent, good sized bed for growing. Still have to remove those 2 boxes and the trees and the gate and the other boxes on the other side. So still another day's work still to go.
Good morning.